All right, so you want to start an online business, but you're strapped for cash and you don't know which business to start. Well, in this video, I've actually put together a list of the 9 best online businesses that you could start that require less than $100. I'm going to show you how to get started. I'm going to tell you how to get started. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn about all 9 of these online businesses. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so what we're going to do today is we are going to take a look at different online businesses that you can start that require less than $100 to get up and going. I'm going to show you and tell you the best ways to do it, and so that you could potentially start making money by the end of this month. So let's go ahead and get into the first one. The first online business that you could start today is actually selling digital products, and there's a number of ways that you can do it. For example, if we take a look at this digital product on the screen, this digital product is called the 60-Second Business Blueprint. Now, I put together this product so that people that wanted to get started with TikTok or Instagram Reels or Facebook Reels could get up and running. Now, the key to creating a digital product is finding a need, finding a problem that many people have, creating the digital product to solve that problem, and then presenting it to the marketplace. Now, the cool thing with this 60-Second Business Blueprint is I reveal step by step how I actually go viral on those short format platforms. Now, the key is, in my opinion, is to actually give them a result. Don't give them just general information. Show them, walk them through the process, exactly what I did here. Now, the cool thing with digital products is you can sell them on your own like I do, or you can even use a website like Etsy. If we go over to Etsy.com, you can see there are all sorts of digital products and digital downloads. For example, if we just type in printable like this, you're going to see there are tons of different printable opportunities. Now, if you don't know how to create printables yourself, you can hire someone to do it over on Fiverr, Upwork, people per hour. But you can see here, printable stickers. And what you'd want to do is figure out what you can make relatively quickly and bring it to the marketplace. Do a little bit of research, figure out what people are actually looking for, what people are actually interested in, and then you can create that content. I knew that this would be a good product to create because whenever I created YouTube videos about TikTok, I seemed to get a lot of feedback and response and questions. And in addition, in my Facebook group, I'd get a lot of questions about how to make money with TikTok. And so I created this digital product. It took me about a weekend. It's only a 43-page guide, and I walk people, customers through the process of going viral. I show them my results on Pinterest and Instagram and TikTok and LinkedIn, and so that they can repeat the process. Now, you can actually do this one of two ways. As I mentioned, you can do this. You can put your digital products over on Etsy, or you can actually use a website like ClickFunnels. This is on ClickFunnels. You could also use WordPress as well. If you use ClickFunnels, it's going to cost you about $97 per month. If you create a WordPress website, you can get started for about maybe $60 to $85. So creating digital products is really cool. And a digital product can be anything. It can be a blueprint. It could be an ebook. It can be like a podcast or an audiobook, really anything that is a digital download that your customers can get instantly. And I also like digital products because you can create this product once and sell it again and again and again, and then update it as needed. But number one is simply with digital products. Number two is actually with micro-influencing. Now, I'm sure everyone has heard of an influencer. You know, when you hear the word influencer, you think someone that has millions of followers, millions of fans that are ready, willing, and able to buy anything that is pushed in front of them. But believe it or not, you could be an influencer with a following as low as 1,000 followers or 1,000 subscribers. Let me show you an example. And really, just to clarify, an influencer is someone that has a dedicated following and you will sell them things that they're interested in. Oftentimes, it comes in the form of an email, or someone will reach out to you via a direct message. And you do have to be careful when it comes to micro-influencing and connecting. You want to make sure that the companies that you're working with are credible and real people. But if I show you one of my YouTube channels, you would be surprised that this channel only has less than 2,000 subscribers, as you can see here. But I actually have companies reaching out to me saying that, hey, I want to partner with you. because you have a dedicated group of people that are interested in your products and services. The same goes for TikTok. You create content over on TikTok and people are going to reach out to you because you have a dedicated group of people that follow, comment, and share your content. You would be surprised. Most people assume that you need 1 million followers to be what's called an influencer, but in reality, you only need a dedicated group of people. As you can see here, I only have 47,000 followers, but I get emails, I get messages with different companies that want me to mention their products so that they could actually grow their online business. And that's what an influencer does, is they partner with a company or a series of companies and they promote the product either directly or indirectly. It could be something as simple as me making a statement in the beginning of a YouTube video or doing a dedicated TikTok video to this chapstick here, for example, saying, this is the best chapstick in the world. Go check it out. Click the link to check out my chapstick. That is basically what influencing is. Now, the key is to micro-influencing is to have a dedicated following. Anybody can be a micro-influencer as long as you have a dedicated following. So that is number 2, micro-influencing. Number 3 is actually starting a blog. Now, let me show you my blog here, alstongodbolt.com, and I just write on affiliate marketing and different affiliate topics. Now, as you can see here, there are tons of ways that you can make money with affiliate marketing, and you can get started with affiliate marketing for less than $90 depending on the web hosting platform that you choose. Now, what you want to do is you want to do a little bit of research, figure out what your audience wants to know. You're going to create content, you're going to write it yourself, and then you're going to paste it on your blog. And you can make money in a variety of ways. I actually have 2 ways right on the screen here. I have these ads that show up throughout my blog or website. I collect emails. I sell my own digital products. I am also an affiliate for other products as well. For example, if I click on Coinbase, this is an ad. If someone were to click on this ad, I could potentially make money. These are affiliate links right here, and I'm also selling my own digital product. Now, you can actually scale this. This is something that's going to be scalable over time. For example, if we looked at a website like moneypantry.com, this website makes tens of thousands of dollars per month, but everyone starts off at 0. Everyone starts off making no money, and they have to put in, it's called sweat equity, where they're just writing away, and eventually they're going to start getting traffic. But this is a large website that's essentially in the same niche, and they're making money the exact same way. They have ads that pop up, they're an affiliate for a few different websites, and they're selling their own products as well. But starting a blog can be incredibly profitable. It's not oversaturated. It's not too late. There are new things that are popping up all day, every day, and it's an opportunity for you to make money. But number 3 is actually blogging. Number 4 is creating a course. Now, one of my favorite things to do is to create different courses. Now, there are a few ways to do it. One is you can create a course over on Udemy, or you can create a course and host it yourself. For example, if we go over to members.alstongodbolt.com, I do host my own course and I sell it directly to the consumer. If you sell it directly to the consumer, you are going to keep more of the profit. However, you can also sell it through Udemy, and Udemy is great because they have a dedicated group. They have the domain authority where people are naturally coming to this website to buy courses. Now, you can create a course in anything. As you can see, people are creating courses about NFTs and getting thousands of people to buy the course. You can sell your courses anywhere between $9.99 and hundreds of dollars. Most courses over on Udemy go for $9.99. And the way that it works is you're actually going to split the profit. You're going to split the profit between 40 and 60%. So for a course that sells for $9.99, you're probably going to make about $4.50 to between $4.50 and $7 for every course sold. But this is a great way to make a lot of money. And the cool thing is with these courses, you don't have to show your face. You can actually create slide decks over on Canva or PowerPoint or Google Sheets or Google Slides, and you can create content that way. But you can see there are courses for everything. If you are interested in cooking, you can create a cooking course. If you are interested in more technical, you want to create a course for Node or Python or some of those other programming languages, that is an opportunity as well. And again, the great thing about creating these digital products is you create the product once and it can sell again and again and again. For example, the courses that I have up were created over a year ago at this point, and people are still coming back and buying them. As you can see here, I have Affiliate Marketing for Beginners Masterclass, Affiliate Marketing with the Bluehost Affiliate Program, and I had another affiliate marketing course on here. At one point, I don't see it, but you can see tons of opportunity when it comes to creating courses, and you simply could churn out a new course once a week. And the more courses you have online, the more money you can make. You can also put these courses on multiple platforms. For example, I have a course over on Skillshare. Skillshare pays me every single month. It's not a ton of money, but if I had more courses over there, I would actually make a little bit more money. So as you can see here, creating courses really profitable, and it's a great way to make money. Another way that you can make money is simply being a freelance writer. Now, there is a number of websites that you can go to. You can use Fiverr to be a freelance writer. You can go to Upwork, People Per Hour. You can also be a freelance writer for hire writers, iWriter. There's a ton of those writing platforms out there. Now, the great thing with these platforms is you can write anything from like sales copy. You can write email messages, autoresponders. You can also write ebooks or simply blog posts. But you can see if we just type in, writer here, and you're going to see there are tons of people that are making pretty good money just simply writing. There's 158,000 services available where you are a freelance writer. Now, a freelance writer is you're going to write for other people. A blogger is where you write for yourself or your website. Cool thing is with freelance writing is you don't need anything to get started. You can, as long as you have a computer or a smartphone, you can be a writer. One pro tip, if you want to write faster, is use your microphone and use Google Docs. Google Docs has a speech-to-text platform that will actually help you write faster. You will need to go through and clean it up a little bit, but it should cut down on your writing time significantly. After freelance writer, we have YouTuber. Now, the cool thing with YouTube is there are thousands of different niches out there. Everything's a niche, and you can make money in anything. As I showed you yesterday, you can make money with concrete. So I'm just going to type in concrete patios with fire pits, and you're going to see these guys have hundreds of thousands of views, and they're literally just laying concrete again and again and again. Literally everything's a niche. If you wanted to, you could record yourself in a time lapse of you cutting grass. So we could do time lapse cutting grass like this. And you're going to see, once again, there are hundreds of thousands, if not millions of views of people simply cutting their grass. Look at this. Mowing tall grass on a vacant property, oddly satisfying. People are cutting grass and making pretty good money. And within YouTube, there's a number of ways that you can make money. You can make money with the YouTube Partner Program, affiliate marketing, which we'll cover in just a moment, selling your own digital or physical products, also selling merchandise. If we go back over to, there's a YouTube channel called Victory, this one right here. He sells his own merchandise right on the YouTube merch shelf. So if we click on videos like this, just going to mute that, you'll see that if we open up, it's not going to be in this one probably, but if we scroll down, nope, that's not it. But if we go to one of his regular long form videos, you'll see that he actually is selling merchandise right on his merch shelf. And the cool thing about selling merchandise through YouTube is that you don't have to handle any of the processing or collecting payments or shipping out actual merchandise. You simply will come up with the design, put it on Spring or Teespring, and they will do all of the work. So being a YouTuber can be extremely profitable. You can also partner with different brands. You can do brand deals and sponsorships right on YouTube, and you can make money that way. Brand deals and sponsorships are in video promotion. So if you've ever watched a video and they said this video is brought to you by Carmex. Carmex is the greatest lip balm in the world. That's what's called a brand deal or sponsorship. After YouTuber, we have virtual assistant. Now, a virtual assistant basically just does small tasks that are assigned to you by a manager. If we come back over to Fiverr, a virtual assistant, or VA as they're called, virtual assistant can do everything from data entry to following up on emails or phone calls, and even do a little bit of writing. As you can see, you can create an entire business off of being a virtual assistant. You can see this person here, for example, copy and paste, web research, WordPress, data entry, typing, social media manager. This person is willing to do a little bit of everything for just $20, probably $20 per hour. Now, the cool thing with being a virtual assistant is if you have good time management skills, you could be a virtual assistant for multiple companies. One thing that you may want to consider is being a virtual assistant for your local businesses. So you could be a virtual assistant for the local restaurants, and you could handle their social media, their data entry, even manage their receipts and some of the finances. But being a virtual assistant can be profitable. There are people over on TikTok claiming to make six figures a year simply just doing virtual assistant type tasks. So if we look at this one, blog management, customer support, WordPress site assistant, social media management, calendar management, post scheduling, email handling, and web research. So virtual assistant is a wide ranging task that a lot of people can do and make money, and it doesn't require a lot of time, and it doesn't require any money. As long as you have a computer, laptop, and even a smartphone, you could be a successful virtual assistant. Under virtual assistant, we have social media marketer. Now, I really like social media marketing for a new online business owner because you can actually automate a lot of this. A social media manager is going to basically post engaging content. If we type in social media manager here, and I really like trying to be a social media manager for local businesses or local companies. You can see being a social media manager can be extremely profitable, and it can be everything from uploading Pinterest pins and Facebook group engagement, asking questions, uploading different content right into the different social media platforms. And you can actually schedule a lot of this out. There are tons of scheduling tools out there like Hootsuite. There's also Social Pilot that will schedule a lot of this out for you so that you're not spending your time just simply uploading and engaging with the audience. But your job is to simply grow the company's social media presence. You can work for multiple companies just like VAs, and you can make money. Once again, it doesn't require you to spend any money up front, but if you wanted to invest and make it a little bit more automated, you could pay for something like Social Pilot or Hootsuite to make your life a little bit easier. Now, the last one that we have is actually with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing is my favorite online business to start. The reason why I like affiliate marketing is simply as you can get started for free. You don't have any of your own products that you have to sell, and you can get started today. And affiliate marketing is simply recommending or selling other people's products and services. I like to think of affiliate marketing as more of connecting solutions to problems. People come to the internet all day, every day with a problem. You create content with a solution, with a recommendation for a solution. People will buy that solution and you make money. For example, if we jump back over to YouTube, people are often coming to YouTube to type in best microphone for YouTube or best microphone under $200. You're going to put together a list of the 5 or 6 best microphones under $200 and then put your affiliate links to Amazon or Best Buy or wherever it may be. Now, the cool thing is there's a bunch of different ways to find affiliate programs. You can type in like Amazon or a company that you want to work with. You can type in Amazon affiliate program to see if they have a program, or you can also type in affiliate programs for, we'll say, the NFL, and this will actually come up with a few options for you as well. You'll actually get a list. So there's a bunch of different ways that you can find affiliate programs for your niche. Now, everything is a niche. If it can be bought and sold online, you can make money from it. So again, I like affiliate marketing because it's the easiest. You can get up and running, and really you can create content wherever there are people and make money. For example, you can jump on Reddit or Quora or Instagram or TikTok or LinkedIn. Wherever there are millions of people, those people have problems. You can create content to help solve those problems, and you can make money. So let's quickly run through them once again. We have affiliate marketing that I just talked about, micro-influencer, blogging, social media marketer, virtual assistant, YouTuber, freelance writer, creating a course, and selling digital products. Now that you know 9 online businesses that you can start for 2022, click the first link in the description for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will help you make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.